What's going on, everybody? My name's Christian Robert, and on this channel we talk stocks, personal finance, and wealth building. And today is my favorite video of the month, and that is talking about my dividends that I received in the month of March. Happy April to everybody. Hope you didn't get pranked too badly. But before we jump into this one, as always, make sure you subscribe to the channel and support. But jumping right into this one. The first stock I received, it's usually every month on the 1st, and that is Gain Gladstone Commercial, $16.30. Next, we have the only ETF in the portfolio, which is SPHD. This is a high dividend, low volatility ETF, $10.29. Next, we have Pfizer, $27.25. Very happy with that. Ford at $7.75. Next, we have the largest dividend, which is from L Brands. This is a parent company that owns Victoria's Secret, Pink, Bath and Body Works, and that is at $70.57. This might sound like a lot, but if you follow the channel or if you follow the stock itself, you will know that this recently went through a big dividend cut. They actually cut it in half a few months back. So the last dividend I received was around $135. So that's pretty unfortunate, but the company has faced some hard times. So they needed to trim that dividend to so they can pay down on their debt and focus on getting that company back on track. So as a long-term investor, it was the right move to make. So, we're just sitting on it and being patient as always. Next, we have IBM, $47.61. I'm very happy with this one. This is a very new holding for me. I believe it's only the second time I received a dividend from them. I really took advantage of the fallen prices around December, January. I bought a big chunk of shares when it reached the mid to low 120 range. And if it does that again, I will definitely be adding to it. Next, we have 3M, $7.25. Johnson & Johnson, $7.34. Then we have my favorite stock, and that is Realty Income, ticker symbol O, $25.73. Now, with this stock, I'm in a bit of a predicament. I've talked to several subscribers about it that have commented in previous videos, and I'm up around 40% on my position. And if you follow the channel, you know that I have a little bit of margin on this account, and I'm really focused on paying my debts this year or in general. So I'm kind of in this predicament where I feel like the stock has gone up so much in the past year, more than it should have, to be completely honest. And I feel like it would be really beneficial to sell off a chunk of my shares to pay down that margin. That way I can get back into not owing any margin and growing and getting some cash back into this account so that I can start adding to positions. And then when the prices do fall, which they always do, I can add back to the position in this. But at the same time, I'm a very long-term thinking investor. I don't ever buy a stock trying to sell it. So it's kind of a catch-22. I don't know what to do yet. I've been thinking about it for months now, but it would be unfortunate if I don't trim my position and then prices do fall, because that's a missed opportunity to pay off a good chunk of margin. But either way, I'm paying down that margin as quick as I can. Next, we have APLE, which is Apple Hospitality. This is another real estate monthly dividend stock. $15.43. I really like this stock also. They focus on high-end hotels, and what I love about this stock is that they keep the dividend very flat at 10 cents per share, and that is because they are always thinking about the longevity of the company, and by keeping it flat, they can kind of control their cash flow better. And they can prepare themselves for if a recession or a downturn does come up, whenever it does, they're prepared for it. They can continue paying out that dividend, and not only can they maintain that dividend, but if they feel like they want to or they need to make investors happy, they can increase that dividend. So to me, that's a very, that's something that really resonates with me and this company, and I have a lot of confidence in this company going forward. But next we have Kraft Heinz, $5.31, Home Depot at $2.74, and finally the original stock in the portfolio, Public Storage, $2.08. Now, if we add up the total, that is $245.65 for the month. If you watched the very first video I did of this series in December, you saw that I cracked the $300 range. Obviously, I did not do that because of the dividend cut in L brands. So that is quite unfortunate, but you know what? It's more motivation to keep grinding, keep adding to the account consistently and get back into that $300 range for this month at least. So, this is where I'm at for the month. I added up January, February, and this month, and that brought me to a year-to-date total of $566.33. Very happy with that number. I'm easily on track to hit $2,000 or more, even after that dividend cut. So I'm excited for that. And to take it a step further, I found the monthly average. I added January, February, and March and divided by 3. And that gives me a monthly average of $188.77. Very happy with this number. This is the first time I calculated monthly average now that there's 3 months or more. Didn't make sense to do it with just 2 months. But I thought this number would be a lot closer to like 150, 160. So a big goal that I haven't shared with you guys is that I want to get this monthly average well above $200 by the end of the month. So I'm only $12 away, so I feel like this is very doable. Obviously, I'm not adding to any positions right now because I'm still paying down margin. But once I start adding to some of my positions, I know I'll get there very quickly. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys this video. Comment down below. What are some dividend stocks you guys are buying or selling? What is your favorite dividend company? I'd love your feedback as always, but if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.